Welcome friend. Today's number is 2 and color is pink and blue. Pink and blue. Number 2.
I'm Shafil and I'm Sanika and this is our toy world. So today we are introducing to you to this truck. It's a jeep. Oh sorry, Benten jeep. This is a Benten jeep. Here is the Benten logo. And it's a we also have this one. It's a golf cart. It's also the Benten's golf club. And we are also introducing you to a beach truck. Yes. So we will play this beach trucks and beach tramps. Let's play this one first. Okay. We cannot play the beach truck here, of course, because we are not at beach. But we will show you them. So first we are going to show you the beach truck. Okay. Look. The bucket is red. Bucket is red bucket and orange paint, red wheels and white front. Okay. This car is super fast. Wow. It's a frame. This roof plate. And there are some tools that we got free from the beach truck. This is a red spoon. It's like a spoon. This is used like this to put the sand here. So now I will show you how to use these tools in sand, but we don't have sand, so we are using these flowers. So first let's do with this and this. We will put this into this and this to put sand and make a circle. So, and in this one you can separate sand and shells. Some of you, your hobby is to collect shells, and this will help you by this. Okay? And by here and this, you can collect this and put it here and make a turtle by sand. Woof woof. And also we have another seahorse. This is also the same process. We have to put this in here and hey presto, we have done it. So this is how to use these tools. Okay? You can add rope here that my brother mentioned a little bit earlier, and you can also pull this by the rope. And you can also keep sands here and transform it. Okay. And also keep this here. Down, down, go. And pick a flower ball. Pick the diamond, pick the flowers, pick. Now So now let's pull it. Shafil, you'll catch this and pull. Let's go, Shafil. Okay, let's go. Down. Wow! What? Yeah! So now we will introduce you to this. It is actually a jeep with this so now we will introduce you to this. It's a Benten Golf Club. We have two kinds of this. One is this and one is here is the picture of it. We don't have this, so we are just introducing you to this jeep. It has the roof color is pink, the bottom color is blue, the body color is blue, the bottom is black, and the wheels are also black with some white hubcaps. Okay, so let's try to drive this. 1, 2, 3, start! Wow, it's super fast! Yeah! Ready?
They played all the games and nothing is left. What should we do now, Shafil? Beach truck, and a jeep, Shafil. Don't worry, we play. Play with the jeep, okay? Shafil. Let's play. Let's play, Shafil. Play with this Benten car. Okay, play. Pop. Pink. Today's color is pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Okay. P-I-N-K. Peach car. Yes. Hooray. Peach car. Our peach car. Hooray. Shafil, let's play, Shafil. Shafil, remember the number. Number is 2. 1 beach car and 1 jeep. 2, okay. Play. Today's number is 2. T-W-O-2. Let's play, enjoy, and say bye, friend.
So friends, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel and give a big thumbs up to this video and share our videos to your family, friends and relatives, okay? Bye. And also turn on the notification so if we upload any video, you can get that easily, okay? Bye friends!